Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Math for Me and You. Let's learn maths together. Hello dear friends, I am Sindhu Suresh. In this video, the topic we are discussing is exercise 8.2, question 1 from Introduction to Trigonometry. Evaluate the following. That means we have to find the value of the given expression. What is given here? Sin 60 degree into cos 30 degree plus sin 30 degree into cos 60 degree. So to answer this question, we need the values of sin 30 degree, sin 60 degree, cos 30 degree, cos 60 degree, these trigonometric values. How can we get this? We can get these values from the trigonometry table. I have already done a video about preparing trigonometry table quickly. I shall give you the link in the description box. You please check it out. And now we are going to find the value of sin 60 degree, cos 30 degree, sin 30 degree and cos 60 degree. Sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2. Cos 30 degree also root 3 by 2. When we substitute, we get root 3 by 2 times root 3 by 2. I am using here bracket for times. So we can write times cos 30 is also root 3 by 2 plus sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. Cos 60 degree also 1 by 2. We can substitute. So we get 1 by 2 times 1 by 2. Now we need to simplify. These two are fractions. How to multiply the fractions? Multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. Corresponding numerators and denominators. Root 3 times root 3. So we get here root 3 square by 2 times 2 is 4. Plus same way we can multiply the other two fractions. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 2 is 4. Now we need to add these two fractions because they have same denominator. We could write the denominator same 4 and just add the numerator. Root 3 square is 3 plus 1 divided by same denominator 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 divided by 4. 4 over 4. After cancelling we get the answer 1. So the value of the given expression is 1. Next we are going to evaluate 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60. 2 tan square 45. 2 times tan 45 is 1. So tan square 45 is 1 square plus cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So cos square 30 means root 3 by 2 the whole square minus sin 60 is root 3 by 2 and sin square 60 means root 3 by 2 the whole square. These values we get from trigonometry table. 2 times 1 square is 2 plus you can see root 3 by 2 the whole square minus root 3 by 2 the whole square. Same terms, so we can cancel. Positive negative terms cancel. Finally we get the result. This is equal to 2. So the value of this expression is equal to 2. Now we are going to find the value of cos 45 divided by sec 30 plus cosec 30. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2 divided by sec 30. Sec is the reciprocal of cos. So here we get the value 2 by root 3 plus cosec 30. Cosec 30 is the reciprocal of sin 30. That means here we get the value 2. Look at the denominator. We have to add 2 by root 3 with 2. 2 is a number. We can write the number with a denominator 1. And now we are going to multiply 2 and denominator 1 with root 3. Up and down with root 3 so that we get both the fractions having same denominator root 3. Numerator we write same as it is. 1 over root 2. What about denominator? It has same denominator root 3. Now we can add the numerators 2 plus 2 root 3. And then we can see here a fraction divide by another fraction. How to divide two fractions? The first fraction we have to write the same and division change with multiplication, and the second fraction we have to write the reciprocal. So here we will write 1 by root 2 same as it is. This is the first fraction we write without having any change. Division we change with opposite multiplication. So the second fraction we write the reciprocal root 3 divided by 2 plus 2 root 3. Now multiply the numerators together and denominators together. 1 times root 3. We get root 3. Denominator root 2 times 2 plus 2 root 3. In the next step, we can write the numerator root 3 same as it is, and now we can open the bracket by multiplying with the root 2. So we get 2 root 2 plus 2 times root 2 times root 3 becomes, we can write under one root as root 6. So we get there 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6. We can see in this fraction the denominator contains roots. So we have to eliminate the roots. What we need to do? We need to rationalize the denominator. What is the meaning rationalizing the denominator? It means if the denominator, for example, here it is 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6. The operation is addition. Two terms connect with the plus. So the fraction, we have to multiply the numerator and denominator with the conjugate. What do you mean by conjugate? Conjugate means if the operation here in this fraction is plus, we have to multiply the numerator and denominator with the same terms, but the operation must be the opposite. That means subtraction. So the fraction root 3 divided by 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6, we multiply the numerator and denominator with the conjugate of the denominator 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6. We multiply numerator and denominator with the conjugate of the denominator. Then numerators we can multiply together. Root 3 times 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6. See the denominator, they are of the form a plus b times a minus b. What is a plus b times a minus b? We know the result. If a plus b multiply with a minus b, we get the result a square minus b square. So using this result, we can write in place of a it is 2 root 2. So we write 2 root 2 the whole square minus 2 root 6 the whole square, because b in place of b it is 2 root 6 the whole square. Numerator we are going to remove the bracket by multiplying with root 3. 2 root 2 times root 3 is 2, root 2 times root 3 is root 6. So 2 root 6 minus 2 root 3 times root 6, that is root 18, divide by 2 root 2 the whole square. 2 square is 4 and root 2 square is 2. We give the power separately, minus 2 root 6 the whole square is 2 square is 4 and root 6 square is 6. Now simplify. From the numerator we can take 2 as common factor. So we write 2 first. Then inside the bracket write the remaining terms, root 6 minus root 18. Denominator simplify. 4 times 2 is 8. Then minus 4 times 6 24. See the numerator. Inside the bracket again we can simplify. 2 times root 6 we write same. What is root 18? It is root 9 times 2 we can write, because root 9 we know the answer is 3. Denominator simplify. 8 minus 24 is minus 16. Then numerator and denominator we could cancel by 2. So we get 2 times 1 and 2 times 8. And again the numerator we are going to simplify. Root 6 minus root 9. What is root 9? It is 3. So we can take 3 outside the root. Then root 2. Divide by minus 8. You can see negative in the denominator side. So multiply numerator and denominator with a negative, so that the denominator we can change as a positive term. When you multiply numerator with a negative, minus 3 root 2 becomes positive 3 root 2. So let's start with positive term. Then plus root 6 changes to minus root 6. Divide by minus 8 becomes positive 8, and this is the value of the expression. Fourth question is sin 30 degree plus tan 45 degree minus cosec 60 degree divide by sec 30 degree plus cos 60 degree plus cot 45 degree. Here also each ratio we are going to change with their values. Sin 30 degree 1 by 2 plus tan 45 degree, it is 1, minus cosec 60 degree is minus 2 by root 3, divide by sec 30 degree is 2 by root 3. What about cos 60 degree? It is 1 by 2. So we write here plus 1 by 2 plus cot 45 is equal to 1. When we look at the numerator, 1 by 2 and 2 by 3 are fractions. So the middle term 1 we are writing as 1 by 1. so that it becomes fraction. Also the denominator 1 we change as 1 by 1. Now when we look at the numerator, 3 fractions, we have to do addition. For that we need same denominator. The denominators are 2, 1 and root 3. So their product 2 root 3 we can take as common denominator. The first term 1 by 2, that means just multiply with root 3 up and down. So we get 2 times root 3 and 1 times root 3. In the next term 1 is the denominator, so we multiply with 2 root 3 up and down. Third term root 3 is there, so we just need to multiply with 2, where up and down. And each term we can see now 2 root 3 is the denominator. The first fraction becomes 1 times root 3 is root 3 divided by 2 root 3, plus second term becomes 1 times 2 root 3, that means it is 2 root 3 divided by 2 root 3. Next is minus, then 2 times 2 is 4 divided by 2 root 3. Look at the denominator. There also we can take 2 root 3 as common denominator. First term with root 3 as denominator. So what we multiply up and down? We multiply with 2. Then we get 2 root 3 there. Second term 2 is the denominator. So we multiply with root 3 up and down. And the third term 1 is there. So we have to multiply with 2 root 3. Numerator and denominator. Then we can write down the result. First fraction becomes 2 times 2, 4 by 2 root 3. Plus second fraction becomes 1 times root 3 is root 3 divided by 2 root 3. Third fraction becomes 2 root 3 divided by 2 root 3. And now we can see the numerator and denominator, all the terms having same denominator 2 root 3. Since the fractions having same denominator, we can do addition or subtraction. For that we have to write down the common denominator first. We are going to write that term, that is 2 root 3 first, and then the numerator we can write first term is root 3, second term is plus 2 root 3, and the third term is minus 4. Divide by, here also we can write the common denominator first, that is 2 root 3. Then write the numerator. They are 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3. See the two fractions, the first fraction over the second fraction with the same denominator. Two fractions with the same denominator for division, we can cancel the denominators. 2 root 3 cancel with 2 root 3. Then what we are getting? Root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 4. Root 3 means 1 root 3. 1 root 3 plus 2 root 3 is 3 root 3. Then minus 4 divided by denominator also root 3 plus 2 root 3. How much? That also we can write 1 root 3 plus 2 root 3 is 3 root 3 plus 4. Here the denominator is with root, so we have to rationalize the denominator. What is the meaning rationalize? Multiply the numerator and denominator with the conjugate of the denominator. So we are going to multiply with conjugate of the denominator 3 root 3 minus 4, where in the numerator side and denominator side. See, we have done that. Now simplify the numerator and denominator. Numerator we can see 3 root 3 minus 4 times 3 root 3 minus 4. What is the result? 3 root 3 minus 4 repeating. So we can write it is 3 root 3 minus 4 square. Divide by, denominator is of the form a plus b times a minus b. We have already studied that a plus b times a minus b is a square minus b square. So we can write here in place of a is 3 root 3. So it is 3 root 3 the whole square minus 4 square, because b is 4. Simplify the numerator. How can we do that? It is of the form a minus b the whole square. So we know the result a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we can write here 3 root 3 the whole square, a square, then minus 2ab, 2 times 3 root 3 times 4 plus b square, that means 4 square, that is 16. Divide by, denominator it is 3 root 3 the whole square. So give the power separately. 3 square, that is 9, and root 3 square, it is 3. So we get 9 times 3 minus 4 square is 16. Again we have to simplify the numerator. 3 root 3 the whole square. Just now we got the answer. It is 3 square times root 3 square. So we can write there 9 times 3 minus, we can multiply the integers first. 2 times 3 times 4. 6 times 4 is 24. Then root 3. So it is minus 24 root 3 plus 16. Divide by 9 times 3 we can write as 27 minus 16. Again we have to simplify the numerator. 9 times 3 is 27 minus 24 root 3 plus 16. 27 plus 16 we can write as 43 minus 24 root 3. Then divide by 27 minus 16 is 11. So this is the value of the expression. Question number 5. We have to find the value of 5 cos square 60 plus 4 sec square 30 minus tan square 45 divided by sin square 30 plus cos square 30 degree. We are going to find the value by replacing each ratio with corresponding value. 5 cos square 60, that means 5 times cos square 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So cos square 60 is 1 by 2 the whole square plus 4 sec square 30. That means 4 times sec 30 is 2 by root 3. So the whole square is 2 by root 3 the whole square minus tan 45 the whole square is tan square 45. Tan 45 is 1. So 1 square we can write. Now the denominator, sin square 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. So sin square 30 is 1 by 2 the whole square plus cos square 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Whole square is root 3 by 2 the whole square. Numerator we can simplify. 5 times 1 by 2 the whole square is 1 by 4. 2 square is 4 plus 4 times, here 2 by root 3 the whole square we can write 2 square and root 3 square. 2 square is 4, root 3 square is 3 minus 1 square is 1. And the denominator 1 by 2 the whole square is 1 by 4 plus root 3 by 2 the whole square is root 3 square by 2 square. That means 3 by 4. Simplify the numerator. 5 times 1 by 4, that is 5 by 4 plus 4 times 4 by 3. It is 4 times 4, 16 by 3 minus 1. Denominator 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. We can write 1 plus 3 by 4. Why? Because both having same denominator. So we can just add 1 and 3, then with the denominator 4. Look at the numerator part. 3 fractions and with the denominators 4 and 3. What is the common denominator? Their LCM 4 times 3, that is 12. So each fraction we are going to change to get a denominator 12. The first fraction is 5 over 4. What we multiply there? We multiply with 3 up and down. Second denominator is 3, so we multiply with 4 up and down. And third term is 1. We can consider 1 as denominator 1 and then we can multiply with 4 and 3. Where? In the numerator and denominator. Now we can simplify. 3 times 5, 15 by 12. Second term, 16 times 4, it is 64 divided by 12 minus 12 by 12. All divide by 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 over 4 is 1. So we can write all divide by 1. Numerator divide by 1. Anything divide by 1 is the same. So we get here same 15 by 12 plus 64 by 12 minus 12 by 12. That means 12 is common denominator and we can write 15 plus 64. It is 79 minus 12. Next step we can write what is 79 minus 12? It is 67. Divide by 12. With this we completed question number 1. Hope you understand what we have practiced over here. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to my channel. See you with more useful videos. Thank you.